speaking or something you have
No,
boldness
ma'am.
or
I
something
have
you have expressed?
no. I have sub participated in college seminars.
So why do you think you want to join this HR coordinator field itself?
The college said the joint internship program.
Okay.
I grow
So,
my skills
so
also, ma'am.
are you bold? So how much do you rate yourself in the boldness and public speaking? Did you hear what I said?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat?
So what rating do you give for yourself in the public speaking and your boldness?
What rating, ma'am?
Yeah, out of 10.
Maybe 7 or 8, ma'am.
Yeah. So are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so you have texted that you will join from June 1st, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can I know why so late?
6 months. The college said that 6 months given, ma'am.
Yeah.
And end month
Yeah.
is November. That's why I picked it.
Yeah. So this is an virtual internship. Are you aware about it?
Ma'am, I can't
It's
understand.
up. It's an online internship.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. So just register in the startup world, which is shared below the registration link. Register as a
Okay, ma'am.
student. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And then if you have any query regarding the registration WhatsApp number, or you can also come back to this meet and just ask the queries. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can leave the meet. So there in the registration process, you will select one slot. That slot is for your orientation program. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You can leave the meet now.
1 second.
Harsh,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, uh, did you share your details?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, I'll just find it. Harsh
Yes, ma'am.
Elvatkar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start your introduction.
Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Harshal Vatkar from Hardar district, Maharashtra. I come from a nuclear family. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker, and I have an elder brother. I completed my schooling from Alfonsa Senior Secondary School, and currently I am enrolled in BTech degree in electrical engineering field. Being a tech enthusiast, I enjoy building new products and solving real world problems and add value to people's lives. One of my key accomplishments during my academic journey was an internship at Infosys, where I gained practical exposure and enhanced both my technical and interpersonal skills. As for my hobbies and interests, I enjoy playing football and playing piano. My active participation in sports has helped me develop many qualities like determination, decision making, and honesty. I'm looking forward to join your organization and contribute to the organization's success and growth. Thank you once again for the opportunity.
Yeah. Okay. So have you done any projects?
So, ma'am, recently I have done one property rental platform project where the users could come and just register their property, and if they want to buy, they can directly contact uh, to the seller, and they can just buy the property. They can rate, they can comment, and they can create their account. And after creating account, they can do all these things. This was the project I did.
Okay. So what front end did you use for this?
I use React.js for front end, and for back end, I use Node.js. For database, I use MongoDB, and For backend framework, I used Express.js.
Okay. So is this a group project or a personal project?
It was a personal project, ma'am. I did it by myself.
So what platform did you use?
Platform in the sense coding platform.
No, means Visual Studio or
Yes,
Android
Visual
App
Studio
Studio.
Code. Visual Studio Code.
So okay, so only the one personal project?
Uh, Rest of the projects, ma'am, I'm doing one project right now, which is music plus chat application, but it is not completed, so I didn't mention that.
So what is that music plus chat?
So that application, the name of the application is SyncVibe. I'm currently building it. So it is the music plus chat application in which the users can enjoy the features of a music application. Plus, if you have created the account on that application, you can all you can also enjoy the chat feature in which you can connect with other users who are using the same application and you can chat with them.
Yeah. So okay, so I think you have good experience in this web development, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what rating do you give for yourself in this field?
So I believe that there is always a scope for improvement. So I would rate myself an 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay. So first, okay then, are you interested in 6 months internship?
Ma'am, I'm interested, but if possible and if uh, the company permits me, then even 4 or 5 months intern also be okay for me. Even 6 months is also fine for me.
Yeah, it's a compulsory in 6 months internship. You have to do 6 months
Okay, ma'am.
internship.
Okay, ma'am. Fine. That's
Okay.
fine
So I
for me.
think you are aware about it. It is an unpaid and it's a
Yes, ma'am.
virtual mode.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, okay then. So you registered in the startup world link, which is shared by me below. And also
Okay, ma'am.
after completion of the registration process, just send me a screenshot of it. Okay.
Ma'am, how can I send you the screenshot? Like where? Uh,
I have
Email
shared my
ID,
number
contact.
also. I have shared my
Okay,
number below.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then if you have any query during the registration process also, you can contact me in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see there are. Okay, ma'am. Fine. Yeah. Contact you through WhatsApp if I have any queries.
Yeah, last number is 83. That is my number. 2004 is Sonika ma'am number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. You can leave the meeting now.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just repeating everyone, just on your camera first. Sharan, Pavani, on your camera. Sharan. Sharan is here. If you did not
Uh,
on your camera, I'll not take your interview.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Harsh.
Sorry for the interruption. Ma'am, may I please know your name?
Sonu Priya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sharan.
Ma'am, I have applied for an embedded system role. I, I
Okay.
I am trying to attend that meet, ma'am, but I cannot go into the meet, ma'am. I am at waiting at lobby only.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just
From
inform.
since
Wait for 2 minutes.
30 hours, I am waiting at lobby only, ma'am.
Yeah. So did you share your details in the text box here? Sharan. Sharan,
Hello.
did you share your details in the text box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So wait for 2 minutes. Uh, I have just informed them. So if
Okay, ma'am.
you still face a problem, okay, I think I'll take your interview here itself. Stay for a while, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
On your camera. Harshita also on your camera. Sarvesh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Start your introduction.
Yes.
Did you
Good
share your
evening,
details
ma'am.
in the text box?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
1 minute, I'll just get your details.
Yeah.
Sarveshwaran V.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start your introduction.
Good evening, ma'am. Sarveshwaran. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech degree in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Panimalar Engineering College. I'm currently in my pre-final year, and I've just given my semester exams. I have a lot of experience in the marketing field, sales field, and in artificial intelligence domain because I'm a co-founder of a startup that I own called Ikaiva Studios. And then I've also done many internships across many companies, namely Ashok Leyland, etc. So these internships were basically mainly focused on artificial intelligence. But then in my own company, I've done a lot of market research and sales related jobs. So I've got quite a bit of exposure there. And then coming to projects, I've done a lot of projects. I've competed in a lot of all India hackathons, for example, Smart India Hackathon and the Dark Matter Busters Hackathon. These are all India hackathons in which I got selected by my college. And in Dark Patterns Buster Hackathon, I was able to secure the finals place and I was invited to go to Delhi for the finals. And then I've also done many projects regarding in the artificial intelligence field. For example, namely, I created an outfit analyzer, which in which you have to give a particular picture of your outfit, and it will judge your outfits. And then right now we're working on a VS Code extension that helps connect lawyers and developers together.
Yeah, okay. So you have good knowledge in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when are you going to join for this intern? You have said that 28th May.
Yeah, I've said 28th May. Yes, ma'am.
So I think you are aware about this meet. Oh, it's an sorry, it's about aware about this internship. It's unpaid and 6 months internship and virtual mode.
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of that.
Yeah. Are you
Mm.
interested in this meet?
Yes, ma'am. I'm totally interested in this meet.
Yeah. Okay, then just register as a student in the below given registration form startup world and then send me a
Sure, ma'am.
screenshot. Register as a student.
Okay, ma'am. Just one thing about the
Yeah.
domain. I'm also interested in the artificial and machine learning domains that you guys have. So, is there
But at a
any
time you
possibility that
can
only do
at a
one,
time you
right?
have to work only one. Yeah. If you want to
Okay.
shift, you can shift. So in
So
which
I
you
can
have to
switch between
continue.
the domains right now.
Yeah, you can. You have option now.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
So now you want to join for which market research or AML?
That is something that I'm still thinking about. So when I register, I'll let you know.
Yeah, okay. Also text me what you are changing or you are staying the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Where should I text you?
I have shared my number. Did you get? Or I have to share it again?
Or can you share it again? Because I guess it's above. No, I've got it, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
So I can leave the meet now, right?
Yeah, you can leave.
Just one more thing. Where should I register the students' details that you told me about?
In the startup world, I have also shared above my number. I also have shared the link, right? Did you get? It's above. You just once check.
Um,
If you did not get, just say me again. I'll just share it. Okay?
okay, ma'am. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start your introduction.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself, M. Charan. I am currently pursuing BTech in electronics at VIT University. During my BTech career, I have strongly built an foundation on electronics and technical knowledge and coding languages like Java, Python, C, C++. And I have gained an internship knowledge at an Maven Silicon private company where I have worked as an chip design intern, and I have gained another internship at an Vision Technologies where I have worked as an embedded intern where I have get an familiar knowledge with the various type of sensors. And if I talk about the projects, some of the major projects is like we have created the expression planter with using different sensors like temperature sensors, light sensor, humidity sensors, where we have created a system to continuously monitor the plant environment, which we can see the update from our phone. And we have let's talk about next project, like we have developed a geosystem communication for field irrigation. In this project, we can on or off the water control for the field through the mobile communication. And recently, I have participated in a national virtual conference where I have to project our project, which is related to AIML. And I have participated in many hackathons where I have get familiar knowledge on embedded boards and sensors. That's it, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So all the project you have mentioned, all are group project or a personal project?
Ma'am, like group projects, ma'am.
So which was the recent one you have done?
Recent one means that AML project, ma'am. We have created a chatbot.
Embedded system
Embedded
means
system.
using this.
Yes, ma'am. We have like that mobile by using GSM module, we have created the mobile communication for field irrigation.
Yeah. Okay. So what was your role in that group, in that project?
Ma'am, in that I have taken an that boats connection, ma'am, like um, connecting the sensors to the Arduino board.
Yeah.
Like
So only that part you did you play or any other
yes,
part in
ma'am.
that project?
Mainly I have taken that part. I have also collaborated with the other parts also, ma'am, like in coding. And if any teammates wants and needs, I have participated in that part.
Okay. So what rating do you give for yourself in this embedded system field?
Embedded system, I can rate 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay. Then
Mm.
you just register as a student,
Okay, ma'am.
and then after completion of your registration process, you just send me a screenshot in my WhatsApp number.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you have any query, you can just contact me in WhatsApp, or you can just come back to this link if it's active and you can ask. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think you are aware about this internship. It's an unpaid virtual
Yes, ma'am.
and the 6 months internship.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yeah,
I
that,
have a doubt that
yeah.
the work will be given as a task, or we need to complete some projects throughout this internship.
No, it will be given as a weekly or a daily basis task.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Dhananjay or Dhananjay. What's his?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, on your camera first. Yeah. So we have for which domain?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a network issue. Can you see through it? I'll just come back to you before I'll interview another person. You have a network issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Deleswari Chinta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have applied for which domain?
I'm virtual communication and meeting tools.
So did you share your details in the text box?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, once I'll just check it.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you did not mention your date of joining.
Only 6 months.
Uh,
From where I had
your
just
voice is
that,
breaking. Your voice is not clear.
ma'am, now it's
Yeah,
clear.
now it's okay. Say, yeah.
Actually, these internships are given from our college, right? No, so that's why they had give a 6 months of time. So from
So
where I
okay,
had to
what?
start that, so that's why.
You can't just give me. Can you give me one date, specific date?
Ma'am, I'm thinking that I will start from June 1st only.
Okay, I'll just note it because I have to just hand it over to your head because if I don't know, I can't hand it over to them. Okay.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, start your introduction.
Okay, good evening, ma'am. My name is Dileshwari Chinta. I belong from Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Um, I am pursuing degree third year, final year in Palasa Suryadeja Degree College. And my hobbies are to studying storybooks like Panchtantra, like that. And I am interested in art and crafts, some curricular activities also. And my father is an my father occupation is an Indian Army, and my mother is an housewife. Next,
That's all.
um,
Yeah, okay, it's okay. So you have applied for virtual communication and meeting tools. So what meeting
correct,
tools you are well in? Google Meet, Zoom. So which and all tools do you use? Which all you are excelling?
ma'am.
Yeah, what? Can you repeat? I could not hear your voice.
I'm Zoom meeting only.
Only one?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So do you know what are the specialities which is present in the Zoom? Specifications or the features which is provided in the Zoom?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have applied for virtual communication also. So what rating do you give for yourself in the communication field?
Ma'am, it's the first meet. Uh, Ma'am, it depends on you only. What I give only. Then you have to rate me.
So other than this, did you try to communicate with others or in a college, when you enter the college, you have to communicate with others. So it was approached by you or from that side? So yeah, I'm asking you, how is your communication rate? Not only to me, for everyone. So because if you join for this, you have to communicate also. So you have to be bold enough and also speak properly, and so that they can also understand what you are saying, and you have to understand what they are saying. So that's communication, right?
7.5 of 10.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, then so register as a student in the below link which is given by me and share me a screenshot after completion of the registration process. Okay.
From which we have to register.
I have shared one link, startup link. Did you get, or I have to share it again?
Ma'am, can you share me again?
Yeah, I'll just share it. And after completion of the registration process, you have to share me back. Okay. Share me the screenshot. And during the registration process, if you face any problem, then also you can contact me in the WhatsApp, or you
Yeah,
can
okay.
just come back if the link is active and just ask me a question. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, then you can leave the meet.
Okay.
Yes. Harshita.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Harshita, and I'm interested in embedded systems domain.
Which domain?
Embedded systems.
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute. Did you share your details in the text box?
Yes, ma'am. I have already shared my details.
I'll just find it. 1 minute.
Yeah, it's okay.
Shubham is here.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah, you will
Sorry
be
for
here. I'll
interrupting
just
you.
call your name after 2 members, okay? You just wait.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Harshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Melapatti Harshita. Is this you?
Yes, ma'am. Malampati Hashita.
Oh, you did not share your location.
Okay, it's okay. Sorry, ma'am.
You just
I'm
say it
from
here.
Vijayawada. I'm from Vijayawada, ma'am.
Vijayawada, Telangana,
No, ma'am. Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. You can start your introduction now.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. I'm Hashita, and I'm currently pursuing BTech third year in Velagpudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha Engineering College. I have completed one internship, which is in VLSI domain, and this is my second internship. I have participated in many hackathons and project expos. I have done a project on non-invasive glucose monitoring using Raspberry Pi and machine learning, for which we have won many awards. And coming to my family background, we are of two, and my sister is currently working in Hitachi. Oh, that's all, ma'am. And for the reason why I'm internshiping in this domain is because I'm from electronics and instrumentation background, and we have a brief experience in embedded systems. And I'm not much familiar, but I just want to learn much about embedded systems. So I'm applying for this internship.
Okay, so did you do any projects using this embedded system? As your background is triple E itself, I think you might have
No,
done
ma'am,
two to
I'm
three
not
projects.
from EEE background. I'm from EIE background, which is instrumentation.
Yeah, okay.
So embedded system is not like completely from our domain. Our is from like steel plants and VLSI, such type of things. Now our domain is completely related to them. But I'm just interested in embedded systems, so I just want to learn. So I'm applying for this internship, man.
So if you do you have theory knowledge or practical knowledge in this embedded system or no
As
knowledge
my
in this? You
theoretical
have
knowledge,
learning.
I have theoretical knowledge about embedded systems, but not completely practical.
Yeah,
And I have
okay.
already done a project which is non-invasive glucose monitoring. It is not completely like embedded systems, but somewhat related, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, okay. So are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yes, ma'am, I'm interested, ma'am.
So I think you are aware about this internship. It's an 6 months internship, unpaid, and it's a virtual mode.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then so you have given the joining date as 26th May. I think from next week.
Yes, ma'am, I will be available from next week, ma'am.
Okay, so what rating do you give for yourself in this field as you're not unfamiliar to this field in the embedded system? So what rating do you give for yourself?
In embedded system, out of 5, I will give myself a 3 rating, ma'am. Since I don't have a practical knowledge, but I'm very good in theoretical knowledge in embedded systems, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. So register as a student in the below link which is given by me and send me a screenshot after completion of the registration. So I have
Yes,
also
ma'am.
shared
Could
my
you
number.
please provide
If you
your
did not,
phone number, ma'am?
yeah, okay. I'll just share it again.
Yes, ma'am.
While registering, if you have any query also, you can just contact me also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Ram Gopal. Ram Gopal is here.
Can I leave this, ma'am?
Yeah, you can leave this meeting.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
On your camera first, Ram Gopal.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
you are
ma'am.
visible, Ram Gopal. You can
Yes,
start
ma'am.
your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Ram Gopal and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year in Triple E background in Newton's Engineering College. So I want an internship on your in this domain. And that's all.
So did you share your details in the text box?
No, ma'am. I didn't have.
Okay,
I
then
don't
I'll
know
take
where I
you.
need
I'll
to
take your
share.
interview in the text box itself in the Zoom meeting. In the text box, just share your details.
It is
So what?
appearing like a chart, right? That, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. So I'll share
Uh,
what and all details you have to share in that. I'll just share it again. So after that, I'll take your interview. Till then, you have to wait. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Where you will share, ma'am?
I have shared in the text box itself. See, check it once.
Oh,
Chinta.
Good evening, ma'am.
received.
Yes. So 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, Chinta. Sorry for inconvenience. It's okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So did you share your details in the text box?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. I'll just find your details. Yeah, you have applied for software testing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are here. I think, is there any, there was no link QR for software testing in that website?
Yes, ma'am.
I just said to join for your software testing domain QR that is present in the website. Did you find? I
Oh,
think
yes,
he
ma'am.
was late to the meet. Was there any meet there based on software testing?
Software testing. Yes, ma'am.
Did you find any meet based on your domain? QR was present.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why did you join for this meet? You have to go for that meet after sharing details.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you did not find, just come back to this meet, okay?
Okay.
Ram Gopal.
Hello, ma'am.
So on your camera first and then start your
I'm
introduction.
I'm entering the details, ma'am. 1 second. After
Oh, you're
entering,
still okay
yeah.
then. Shubham,
Yes, ma'am. Can I just switch on my camera? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
you're audible but you're not visible, Shubham. On your
Yeah.
camera first.
I think there is a network glitch. Let me fix. Could you provide me 1 second?
Okay, it's okay. Continue. It's okay. If you have a problem, it's okay. Fine. I'll take it. Shubham, start your introduction.
Okay. First of all, I'd like
Yes,
to,
Ayush. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry for the
Ma'am, I have
interruption.
one doubt.
Yes. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I was filling form on startup world. It was
Yeah.
asking about interview, but here only option is given of Android, ma'am. There is no other option.
Yeah, what I did not understand what was your query.
Ma'am, I was filling the form that startup world form, registration form.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
there we have to tell details about our interview, no, ma'am. At last,
yeah, 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 yeah.
there there is only Android development, ma'am. There are no other options presenting there, ma'am.
So it's not an Android development. It's like selecting the slot. Android app means your timings is ago. I think there is below it. It was there any slot based on your date or month. Calendar
Uh,
was presenting there below that.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not for that app. It is for registering for the slot.
Okay, ma'am.
You just select which slot you're free and take the orientation program. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after filling the form,
Yeah.
should I send a screenshot to you, ma'am, on the number you have given
Yeah.
us?
Yeah. Yeah. You have to share your screenshot to me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Continue, Shubham.
I'm sorry, I think there is a network glitch. That's why my camera is not opening. Okay. So if you don't
Yeah.
mind, can we
It's okay.
continue? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Continue
Ma'am,
like
first
that
of
itself.
all, yeah, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Vishwam Sri. I have completed my graduation in zoology honors. Further, I moved and changed my interest, and I chosen the global diplomacy as a certificate course, and later I pursued the leadership skill from IIM Ahmedabad. Now, currently, I'm working as a campus ambassador in FGS Group, and I was the ex-intern to the lead group organization. And before that, I was the trainee uh, in a trainee in a organization. His name is ED Tech. Now, my short-term goal is to get a good opportunity in the better organization. But further, in long term, I would like to get a good opportunity so that so that I can move for the good organization in the for Europe and for the better purpose. Moving
Okay.
towards, I am
So
having the. Can I
yeah.
continue?
Continue. Continue. Yeah. Yeah. Continue.
Moving towards, I am having the skill like client handling, organization skill, client communication. Further that, I am having also the negotiation and customer relationship management, also governance and business ethics. These are the key roles which I am having the skills in this. Thank you.
Okay. Did you share your details in the text box?
Yeah, I was shared, but unfortunately, I think by moving from here to there, it have been lost.
Oh, it won't be lost. It will be present. I'll just look into it 1 minute. If I did not get,
Yeah,
I'll just say you to reshare it again. Okay.
okay, sure.
Shubham Ambassador. Yes, but you did not share me your joining date and your working hours here. Can I know your joining date for this intern?
Yeah, as a campus ambassador,
Yeah,
or for this or campus ambassador.
for ambassador for FGS.
Okay, it was 2025 March. The date was 16. Yeah, 16. Yeah.
So I am asking for this internship. When are you going to join?
Okay, for this, I would like to go for the next month, first week of first week of first day.
Okay, so June 1st.
Yeah,
So your working hours, as I said before, you have to work at least 4 to 5 hours a day. So your working hours,
Ma'am, she told me that I will work as a virtual communication and meeting tools,
Yeah,
and
she informed me that.
working hour will be 9 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock.
9
It
a.m.
will be better. Yeah, 9 a.m.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, what tools did you use? What are your Excel about, or you know more knowledge about, like Zoom meeting or Google Meets or any other meeting tools? So what tools do you know better?
Ma'am, all the tools, whatever you have taken the name, I'm just using all the names, all the apps or software you can say, like Zoom,
Okay,
Google
then.
Meet, Google Team, whatever you can say, I'm comfortable.
Yeah. So then, what is the specialities of Zoom meeting and what is different from Google Meet?
If we talk about Google Meet and the difference between Google Meet and Zoom, the Zoom is not that much secure than we in comparison to Google Team. Though Google Team and Zoom we can access lot of people, but Zoom we can approximately it can go more than 400 plus. Uh, like in communication or in for the meeting purpose, the people can join more than 400 plus in Zoom. But in Google Meet we can only access up to 200 to 250, and the common thing in between these are we can restrict the person if we are not send the mail or the text to the person. Also we can control who can chat or who can access the further notification in both of these, and both are the European made softwares. And in India, or not in India, even in European countries, we all are using for the meeting purpose, for the teaching purpose, and many more things.
Okay, do you think only those features are provided by the Zoom or Google Meet?
Yeah, there is a lot of uh, options too. Like if we are talking of if we are talking or talking or just communicating with each other, there is a lot of AI photo changer, and also we can share the screenshot. Sorry, not a screenshot. We can represent our the um, um,
Screen share.
PDF or yeah PDF screen share. There is a screen share in between both. We can share for the teaching purpose or for the presentation purpose. There is also a background color changing in both the softwares which is available, and there is also a little shareable emojis for the purpose, like when do we have to raise the hand, and when we have to just react something which is funny or aggressive or something we have to know. There's a lot of things, ma'am.
Okay, so are you aware about some of the features like AI companion, note taker that is present in the Google Meet or
Yes,
some
ma'am.
recording process?
Yeah, there is also recording process in both Zoom and Google Meet, even in Google Team also. So we can share sorry, not we can share, we can record the if there is any important thing, we can definitely record it. Further, there is a AI developed, sorry, not AI developed, there is advanced AI which is also monitoring the eyes of a person if we are taking the or giving the interview.
Yeah, okay then. So what rating do you give for your knowledge of your virtual teams, means virtual apps which is used for the meetings?
Ma'am, it depend on out of 5, 10 or something. Out of 5,
Yeah,
if there will be out of
it's
5, I
about
will
5.
for, yeah, so now I will go for 4.5.
Yeah, okay then. So are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yeah, ma'am, why not? Definitely, I will
So I think you
explore.
are aware about this internship that is unpaid and virtual internship.
Yeah, ma'am, this unpaid, I know.
Yeah. Okay then. So register as a student in the well below link which is shared by me, and after completion of your registration, just share me a screenshot in my WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Just I'm confirming your number. Your number is 748. This is the starting number.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
correct.
ma'am.
So Ram Gopal. Ram Gopal is here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
So on your camera first. And you did not share your details like when you are
I have
working
shared
hours.
my.
Working hours. You did not share your working hours.
Okay. Can I
So
share
as I
again?
said, it's okay. Just say me. I'll just note it down. So when are you going to? What is your working hours?
11 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Yeah, sure. So start your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Pada Ramgopal and I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Kakinada. And I'm currently pursuing BTech third year in Triple E group at Newton's Engineering College. It currently I have interested on embedded systems, and this is my second internship in my career. I've completed my first internship in power electronics in Meda Servodesk Limited. So yeah, I don't want to I have some interest on this internship, right? That's all. Hello.
Which is your recent project you have done based on the embedded system?
No, ma'am. Based on the embedded system, I have not done any project. This is new for me.
So which domain are you? Means
Embedded
CS or
systems.
not in this in your college? Which domain do you belong to?
Triple E, ma'am.
Triple E, CS.
Triple E, Triple E.
So if you're which year are you?
Third year, ma'am.
I think you have done one at least one mini project also. You did not do any project.
I did not do any project management.
Okay, do you have a theory knowledge?
I'm not sure, ma'am. I don't have that much knowledge, but I want to learn on this.
Usually, if you don't have a theory knowledge, also practical knowledge, we can't take you. So, do you want to shift from your domain to other domains? We have a plenty of domains which is available in the startup world. So, do you want to shift?
Yes, ma'am.
So, which domain do you want to shift? So, which in your excel in?
But power electronics, ma'am.
I think that domain is not available. One thing you do, don't register as a student in the startup world. You just text me. I have shared my number. You just text me that power what you have said that domain. I'll just
Power electronics.
ask yeah power electronics, and then I'll just let you know what you have to do. So don't register as a student in that form. Okay,
Okay,
text
ma'am.
me first. I'll within 10 o'clock I'll let you know
Ma'am,
what you have to do. Yes.
where is number, ma'am? Your number? Can you share that
uh,
number?
I'll share it again.
Okay. Thank you.
See, I have shared my number again. You just
Yeah,
contact
yeah,
me in
thank
my
you.
WhatsApp. Yes, Ram Gopal Reddy. Reddy is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandarish Reddy. On your camera first. Did you share your details in the text box?
Yes, ma'am. I shared it.
1 minute, I'll just find your details. Now you shared or before only you have shared?
I shared it before at the time of 7:40, I think so.
Okay, I'll just 1 minute. I'll just look into it. Which domain are you?
Embedded system domain.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Start your introduction.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Myself, V Sundaresh Reddy, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have a strong interest in embedded systems, and I am actively learning microcontroller programming, particularly with Arduino and ESP32 platforms. I have worked on small projects involving sensor acquisition, I2C, and UART communication. I'm comfortable with C programming and have basic experience using tools like Kyle Vision and Arduino IDE and Xilinx Vivado. I recently started exploring FreeRTOS and basic of ARM architecture itself.
Okay. So which is your recent project on this domain, embedded system?
I have worked on a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi based robotic car.
So is this a group project or a personal project?
That's a personal project.
Personal project. Okay. So what and all tools you have used in this project? Can you specify and
Uh,
specifications of that project?
yeah, ma'am. I have used a microcontroller board called ESP32, which comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi inbuilt of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi configurations, and worked with a sensor called ultrasonic sensor, which is for distance measurement and for the collision avoidance. It's The ESP32 sends us data through over the air to the serial monitor. From there, uh, we can work on it. Further improvements, you can add in GPS module which works on its which can track the way on its own. That's it.
Okay. So what rating do you give for yourself in this embedded system field?
A solid 3.5 out of 5.
Yeah. So are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yes, ma'am.
So okay. So you have already mentioned your joining date and the starting time.
Yeah.
I have noted it. I'll just let you know what to have to do. Just register as a student in the form which is mentioned below,
Yeah, ma'am.
and then share me a screenshot after completion of your registration in that. You register
Okay.
as a student.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, then you can leave this meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Chinta is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, is software testing link is available or not? Chinta,
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
is software testing link is available is not.
Yes, ma'am. Well, ma'am.
If you are, if it is available, why did you join? Why didn't you come back here? You can go join there.
Ma'am, 6 months training certificate, ma'am.
What?
I am.
Is your interview over in that software testing link?
No, ma'am.
Did you join that link or not?
Not.
Your voice is not audible. Can you repeat it again?
No, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking. Why? Why you didn't join that QR?
Software testing, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you are unable to understand what I am saying. Okay, it's okay. Just on your camera and start your introduction.
Ma'am. I am. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am studying BTech third year in the stream of electrical electronics engineering, and I am completed diploma in the stream of electrical electronic engineering. I know basics of computer, MS Office, software testing, and Java. And Java. My family is national family, having 4 members, include me.
Okay. So are you aware about the tools like Selenium, which is used for software testing?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the other tools which you know for you that is used for software testing?
Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language designed to be platform independent truth. It's right once run anywhere. That's it, ma'am.
And did you check any of the project? Did you test any of the project in any of the platform?
No, ma'am.
I think you don't have much practical knowledge in this software testing field, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have a theory knowledge about this? Black box testing, white box testing, or something about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just
Man
note it. Yeah.
manual auto means
What?
black box and gray box, white box, ma'am.
Yeah.
Natural manual testing,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I think you know that this is an unpaid 6 months internship. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
virtual mode.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in which domain do you belong in your college? CS or branch? Which branch?
Triple E, ma'am.
Okay, Triple E. So, when you're Triple E, why did you select the software testing field? Software
I
testing is completely different from like manual
yes, ma'am.
testing. So, I think you are mentioning again and again manual testing, manual testing. I think you are not aware about the software testing. So, do you want to shift your domain from software testing to embedded system, which is related to your domain?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think you can join for the embedded system. You just shift it for embedded system. I'll do it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. You can just register as a student in the form which is shared below, and then share me a screenshot. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can leave this meeting.
Ma'am, give me 1 minute,
Yeah.
ma'am.
1 minute. I'll just share. I have already shared below. Just once check it. The recent I have just shared.
I am leave out, ma'am. You can back network issue, ma'am.
I have shared it again. You just check it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Ram
thanks,
Gopal
ma'am.
is here. Yeah, yeah. Ram Gopal. Ram Gopal is here. Okay, if anyone have doubts, Ram Gopal is here. I think. Do you have any doubts? Otherwise, we will end this meeting. I think no one have doubts. We'll end the meeting. If you have any doubts, you can just contact me in my WhatsApp number.